So this is number 13. This one is a little tricky on the way the Venn diagrams get set up. It's a little different than normal. It says we have, of the 500 athletes surveyed, 300 were male and 20 were left-handed. Only 8 of the left-handed athletes were female. So as weird as this is, I'm going to call this male and I'm going to call this left-handed. Left-handed. So that means that this whole section here represents all the males. This represents males that are left-handed. And then this would represent left-handed females. So it says 8 of the left-handed athletes were females. But there were 20 left-handed athletes in all, which means how many am I missing if I only have 8? Well, 20 minus 8 is 12. So look at this. There are 20 left-handed athletes. This represents there are 12 male athletes that are left-handed. This means that there are 8 females that are left-handed. So now let's go read a little bit more. The 300 were male. That means I need to do 300 minus this 12, which leaves me with 288 males. Because 288 plus these 12 makes it a total of 300 males. So now we have to see how many people are we shy, because there's also this population here, in which we do 288 plus 12 plus 8 and subtract that from 500. And what we find is we have 192 people that are not even in these categories. Not really sure what that means. But it says, what is the probability that an athlete was male or left-handed? So this 192 probably represented our right-handed people. But we're going to go ahead and look at the word that they gave us, the word or, which means, according to our probability guide, if we're using the word or, we're trying to decide if there's going to be any overlap. We're going to add the probabilities, and if there's overlap, we're going to subtract it out. So let's add our probabilities together. We're looking for the probability that somebody's male. How many males do I have? 300 out of a total of 500 athletes. Or they're left-handed. Well, how many left-handed people do I have? 20 out of 500. Now, do I have any males that were left-handed that I accidentally counted twice? Yes, 12. That's the overlap. So we're going to subtract 12 out of 500. When you do, and you simplify, you're going to get 77 out of 125.